Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get free immunity on the Style Showdown game mode on Dress to Impress. So it could be either in between the games, like in the lobbies, or actually in the game. So it's honestly by luck if you like come across it, because I've been on this game mode for so long and I've completed 3 of the items anyway, so I don't really need it. But if you want to get free immunity, it's called the free immunity idol. It looks like this. I'll put a picture right now. But yeah, unfortunately it spawns randomly everywhere, so just keep that in mind. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!